Hi guys, how are you doing? Today we will talk about why I like investing in cryptocurrencies. Let's start with the resolution of the contest from the previous video, 5 crypto predictions for 2018. As I said, I will give away 100 million bytes, BYTEBALL bytes per address for 3 BYTEBALL addresses in the comments below that video. Let's start with the first winner. So the winner is Royal Lopez. Congratulations. The next winner Stakes Teautis, and the next winner is Aki 8. Congratulations to you guys. Stay with me till the end of this video. We'll have another contest and some money to win at the end of this video. Why I like investing in cryptocurrencies. I will tell you several points and I will compare investing in cryptocurrencies to traditional investing in real estate and in gold. First of all, I like the liquidity in the crypto market. There is billions of dollars in transactions in crypto market each and every day, and it is a global market. Everybody can practically trade on every exchange, and each pair of cryptocurrencies has millions, sometimes hundreds of millions in transaction volume. For the most cryptocurrencies, it is more than enough for everybody on volume to trade and to make the transactions. How does it compare to gold? How does it compare to real estate? First of all, gold is similar, right? There is enough liquidity in the gold market. If you don't trade maybe physical gold, you can trade paper gold. It's a little bit different, more difficult with real estate. Of course, there is a lot of money in real estate. It's a huge market, but it's not as liquid in the sense that you can sell real estate anytime you want, right? It needs to be sometime on the market if you want to get a sensible price for it. And you need much more effort to sell it. The second characteristics of crypto I like is there is no cost of holding the assets. If you buy crypto and you hold it in your own wallet, in your private wallet, even if you hold it right now on the exchange, but if you hold your private keys yourself, it doesn't cost you anything. It's free. If you compare it to real estate, you have to take care of the real estate. You have to pay probably some taxes on it. You have to pay some other expenses to uphold this real estate. If you compare it to gold, you could store gold, physical gold, let's say physical gold in your home, but then you need a safe for that. It costs you something. Or if you have larger amounts of gold and you want to store it, you need a safe at the bank or maybe a storage facility, so you have to pay fees, storage fees for gold storage. Even if you have paper gold, you pay management fees for that. So this was the second quality of crypto. The next thing is low transaction costs. If you want to buy physical gold, you have high transaction costs because there is a cost of transport for it. If you buy it at the bank cuts a share for the expenses. If you buy or sell real estate, you have to pay for the lawyer, you have to pay for the agent. In many countries, you have also to pay taxes on the transaction itself, on top of the taxes for your profit. So there is a lot of costs involved in the transaction in real estate. In cryptocurrencies, it's quite different. You usually pay 0.5% of for the transaction, maybe 0.1% for the transaction, depending on the exchange. So the cost of the transaction is much lower than in any of the other assets. The other thing about cryptocurrencies is that the transactions are immediate. You can execute and settle the transaction immediately. The second you do it, you have the asset, you can withdraw the assets to your wallet, to your private wallet. So you theoretically can exchange one asset against the other assets within the minutes to have it from your private wallet in one cryptocurrency to your private wallet in the other cryptocurrency. You can go to the bank counter and you can buy physical gold also within minutes for money. But then you have to transport it to your home to store it, or maybe to the storage facility. Or you can do it with paper gold. But for real estate, you really need time to transact in real estate. There are lawyers involved. There's a lot of paperwork to do in real estate. And here we come to the next point. There are no formalities or access barriers to possess or to trade cryptocurrencies. It is maybe similar to gold, at least to physical gold. You could buy physical gold without access barriers, depending on the country, of course. But if you want to trade paper gold, you need to have a trader account, which is connected with some formalities, requirements, AML, KYC, and so on. And definitely, if you want to own or trade real estate, there is a lot of formalities, a lot of paperwork involved, and also of access barriers. Not everybody can possess every real estate in every country. There are legal barriers to that, and you have to deal with these obstacles, with these barriers. And of course, what I like about cryptocurrencies is the high volatility. So there are high emotions involved in the market. Huge profits are possible if you know what you do or if you are lucky. This is something that just can't be done with any other assets. Gold or real estate can't go up by 500 or 1000% within days. And this is definitely possible with cryptocurrencies. It has happened. So it is kind of a gamification of that process of investing in cryptocurrencies. I hope you like that video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button if you haven't yet. Please share with us in the comments what you like about investing in cryptocurrencies, what you maybe don't like, what are the specific things that are different in crypto investing. Share this video with your friends, with your loved ones, with people interested in cryptocurrencies. They will thank you for sharing this channel with them. Please provide your BYTEBALL address in your comment. I will give away some BYTEBALL. And if you don't have a BYTEBALL wallet, if you don't know what BYTEBALL is, go to byteball.org, download the wallet and provide your public address. If you like this video, you will also like my other videos. I talk about cryptocurrencies like I do here. I talk about thinking of the best entrepreneurs in the world, how billionaires think, and also I talk about doing the impossible. Here you will find some of my best videos. That's it for today. Thank you and see you.